Hello there! Welcome to my home espresso experiment series. In this video, I'm here to discuss you about my experience on single-shot espresso brewing. Apparently, my particular concern with this topic is that it doesn't get much coverage among home baristas, especially for those living in countries where single-shot espresso is not common. I'll first clarify a common misconception among baristas about single shots. This is what most people in the world refer as quote-unquote a single shot, a double shot divided into two. I'm going to say that this is definitely not a single shot. This is technically still a double shot. So, what we're going to discuss instead here in this series is the proper single shot, an espresso made with single shot baskets. Single shot baskets might be unfamiliar to you. It has this strange tapered shape. These baskets are not used in most parts of the world. I even didn't get to know them until recently. Some espresso machines might come with one, but chances are you're going to leave them collecting dust. I bought one here separately from IMS, actually just to make this video and share you how to tame them. There are several merits on why one would use a single shot basket. Using a single shot basket can help you reduce your caffeine intake, as coffee is cut in half. It's a much more efficient approach than using decaf, which are often much more expensive and can greatly vary in quality. Now, of course, you can certainly take a double shot and divide it into two, like how it's usually done. However, there isn't always someone who's ready to drink that second shot. Plus, learning how to handle single shot baskets will add something new to your coffee portfolio. And there's also a less obvious reason for single shots, which is how they taste a bit different than doubles. Singles generally has a flavor profile that tends to stay in the middle, which doesn't show the extremes as much. So here's a side-by-side comparison of a single and a double shot. The grind size, dose, yield, and brewing time are intentionally different. This means that the annoyance with learning both is that it's not practical to switch between the baskets. In a time where you don't have time to tinker around, you have to use either, not both. This is a common reason why most baristas will only choose one. In the upcoming video, I'll try to figure out the best method for single shot baskets. I hope to see you again on the next part. So, until next time.